Here's the 2010 3-ton American Standard Heritage 15 heat pump. Next door to our house is our running in cool mode on a very hot and humid morning. It's got a Gentech fan. It's very quiet. Look at this old beast. This is a 15-seer unit, but since it has a TXV, it makes it 16-seer. So, yeah. Here's the data sheet. Model number 4A6H5036E1000AB, manufactured May of 2010, and it's got 9 pounds 3 ounces of R410A refrigerant. So, you can hear it's got a scroll compressor and a big old seat. Here are the lines that come out, go under, and this is the condensate drain. Liquid line's outdoor temperature, a suction line is cold and sweaty, so it's doing pretty good. As in cycling. This is huge, the size of it. So yeah, this is the size of that 2010 5-ton American Standard air conditioner I videoed. There goes the Arco. Anyways, yeah, there goes our unit. Anyways, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And that's it. You can hear the air conditioner symphony.